Hello students. Next example. Find a number of integers between 1 and 2100 that are divisible by 2 or 3 or 7. Let A be the set of integers between 1 to 2100 divisible by 2. B is the set of integers between 1 to 2100 divisible by 3. Similarly, C be the set of integers which are divisible by 7. Next, total number of integers between 1 and 2100 equal to 2098, because here number of integers between 1 and 21000 means 1 and 21000 cancels and remaining integers are nothing but the 2098. Therefore, order of A equal to order of 2098 upon 2 equal to 1049. Integral value of this. Order of B equal to 2098 upon 3 equal to 699, because A be the set of integers divisible by 2, B be the set of integers divisible by 3. That's why here we take 2, here we take 3. And C be the set of integers which are divisible by 7, means order of C equal to 2098 upon 7 equal to 299. Order of A intersection B equal to A intersection B means the set of integers which are divisible by 2 as well as 3, means 2 into 3 equal to 349. Order of A intersection C means the integers which are divisible by 2 as well as 7. That's why 2098 upon 2 into 7 equal to 149. Similarly, order of B intersection C equal to 2098 upon 3 into 7 equal to 99. Order of A intersection B intersection C means the set of integers between 1 and 21000 which are divisible by 2, 3 and 7, which is equal to order of 2098 upon 2 into 3 into 7 equal to 49. इकडे लक्षात ठेवायचं, ही व्हॅल्यू तुमची पॉईंटमध्ये पण येऊ शकते किंवा डायरेक्ट इंटीजर पण येऊ शकतो. पॉईंटमध्ये आल्यावर जो नंबर आला आहे त्याच्यापेक्षा ग्रेटर नंबर आपण घेतो, पण तो काय असला पाहिजे, इंटीजर असला पाहिजे. म्हणून इथं सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू काय आल्या आहेत, इंटीजरमध्ये आलेल्या आहे, पॉईंटमध्ये नाही आलेल्या आहे. So, by inclusion exclusion principle for 3 sets, order of A union B union C equal to order of A plus order of B plus order of C minus order of A intersection B minus order of A intersection C minus order of B intersection C plus order of A intersection B intersection C equal to 1049 plus 699 plus 299 minus 349 minus 149 minus 99 plus 49 equal to 1499. Therefore, 1499 numbers are divisible by 2 or 3 or 7 between 1 and 2100. युनियन आल्यामुळे आपण काय करतो, इथं और यूज करतो, आणि इंटरसेक्शन असेल तर 2 and 3 and 7. त्याच्यामुळेच आपण इकडे काय घेतलं आहे, इंटरसेक्शन होतं ए आणि बीचं, means the number of integers which are divisible by 2 and 3, म्हणून आपण अपॉनला 2 into 3 घेतला. Similarly for A intersection C, B intersection C, A intersection B intersection C. Next example, next point, combinations with repetitions. There are C of n plus r minus 1 r equal to C of n plus r minus 1 n minus 1 are combinations from a set with n elements when repetition of elements is allowed. Example, in how many ways can 5 balls be selected from 8 identical red balls and 8 identical white balls? Answer, selection of 5 balls from 2 different colored balls means if n equal to 2 and r equal to 5, because in these are combinations from a set with n elements. Here n is 2 because 2 colored balls, and r equal to 5 means combination of balls are 5. Such a selection of balls can be made in C of n plus r minus 1 n minus 1 equal to C of n is 2 plus r is 5, 2 plus 5 minus 1, 2 minus 1 equal to C of 6, 1. After simplification we get 6. Next example, 10 balls are picked from a pile of red, blue and white balls. How many such selection contain less than 5 red balls? Answer, selection of 10 balls from 3 different colors. Selection of 10 balls means combinations are equal to 10. 3 different colored balls means there are 3 number of elements in this set, that is n equal to 3. Such a selection of balls can be made in C of n plus r minus 1 n minus 1 means C of 3 plus 10 minus 1 3 minus 1 equal to C of 12 2 equal to 66. Such a selection are 66 ways. Now condition is that how many such a selection contain less than 5 red balls means selection of at least 5 red balls out of 3 different colored balls are nothing but the here r equal to 5 and n equal to 3. So C of 5 plus 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 means C of n plus r minus 1 n minus 1 equal to C of 7 2 equal to 21. Therefore number of selection of 10 balls containing at least 5 red balls equal to 66 minus 21 equal to 45. Therefore 45 such a selection exists. आता इथं आपण 66 मायनस 21 का केलं आहे, टोटल सिलेक्शन काय झालं 66 झालं आणि त्यानंतर 5 रेड बॉल्स, ॲटलिस्ट 5 रेड बॉल्स म्हणतोय म्हणजे आपल्याला कमीत कमी 5 लागतात, पण 5पेक्षा जास्त असेल तरीही आपल्याला इथे ते चालेल. पण कंडिशन काय लेस दॅन 5 रेड बॉल्सची आणि इथं आपण काय कॅल्क्युलेट केलेलं आहे 5 किंवा 5पेक्षा जास्त म्हणजे टोटल जे सिलेक्शन आहे त्याच्यामधून आपल्याला हे सबस्ट्रॅक्ट केल्यावरतीच आपल्याला लेस दॅन 5 रेड बॉल्स भेटेल, म्हणून आपण इथं काय घेतली आहे सबस्ट्रॅक्शन घेतली. देअरफॉर 45 सच सिलेक्शन एक्झिस्ट. नेक्स्ट, पिजन होल प्रिन्सिपल. If k is a positive integer and k plus 1 or more objects are placed into k boxes, then there is at least one box containing 2 or more of the objects. म्हणजे आता तुमच्याकडे k बॉक्स असेल, सपोज इथं 3 बॉक्स आहेत 1 2 3 आणि 4 इंटिजर्स आहेत आणि ह्या 3 बॉक्समध्येच आपल्याला ते प्लेस करायचे. आपण 1 2 3 पुट केलं, पण एक इंटिजर राहिला आहे ना आपला, म्हणजे तो ह्या कोणत्याही बॉक्समध्ये प्लेस होणार आहे. म्हणजे कोणता तरी बॉक्स हा 2 इंटिजर घेणार आहे, तेच आपल्याला ह्या स्टेटमेंटमध्ये सांगितलं आहे. इफ के इज अ पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर अँड के प्लस 1 ऑर मोर ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर प्लेस्ड इन टू के बॉक्सेस, then there is at least one box containing 2 or more of the objects. Corollary, a function f from a set with k plus 1 or more elements to a set with k elements is not 1 to 1. Now, examples of pigeonhole principle. Among any group of 367 people, there must be at least 2 with the same birthday because there are only 366 possible birthdays. Next example, in any group of 27 English words, there must be at least 2 that begin with the same letter because there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Next example, how many students must be in a class to guarantee that at least 2 students receive the same score on the final exam if the exam is graded on a scale from 0 to 100 points. There are 101 possible scores on the final because 0 to 100. 0 to 100 means total numbers 101. There are 101 possible scores on the final. The pigeonhole principle shows that among any 102 students, there must be at least 2 students with the same score. Next, the generalized pigeonhole principle. If n objects are placed into k boxes, then there is at least one box containing at least n upon k objects. N objects are placed into k boxes, then there is at least one box containing n upon k objects. For example, among 100 people, there are at least 100 upon 12 equal to 9 who were born in the same month. 100 upon 12 का घेतलं आहे, मंथ किती असतात, टोटल 12 असतात. टोटल पीपल किती आहेत, 100. 100 अपॉन 12 इक्वल टू 9. 9 असे पीपल आहेत ज्यांचा बर्थडे एकाच महिन्यात येईल, आणि ते एकाच महिन्यात बर्थडे येईल म्हणजे ते तेव्हाच जन्मलेले, हु वेअर बॉर्न इन दी सेम मंथ. नेक्स्ट, what is the minimum number of students required in a discrete mathematics class to be sure that at least 6 will receive the same grade if there are 5 possible grades A, B, C, D and F? The minimum number of students needed to ensure that at least 6 students receive the same grade is the smallest integer n, such that n upon 5 equal to 6. The smallest such integer is n, which is equal to 5 into 5 plus 1 equal to 26. If you have only 25 students, then 25 upon 5 equal to 5, but here at least 6. That's why we cannot take 25. Means if you have only 25 students, it is possible for there to be 5 who have received each grade, so that no 6 students have received the same grade. Thus, 26 is the minimum number of students needed. 26 upon 5 is 5 point something. Means we take integral value which is equal to 6. 5 point something means integral values of that 5 point something is 6. Thus, 26 is the minimum number of students needed to ensure that at least 6 students will receive the same grade. Here, third chapter is completed. We stop here.